Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to get dark mode on Snapchat on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and let's get started. First we need to go to Snapchat. After that we need to go to our profile. And here we need to click on settings in the upper right corner. Here we need to scroll down and click app appearance. And here we must choose always dark. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.